Hello children, welcome to measures of central tendency part 2. Okay, in part 1 I have already explained how to find mean or average for ungrouped data, for group data, for untabulated data in 3 methods also. Okay, so mean was over. The second part is completely for mode. Okay, now what is mode? See, singular is datum, plural is data. This is singular, this is plural. Okay, datum, data. Mode means it is the datum having the highest frequency. Okay, remember this. Mode means it is the datum having the highest frequency. First we will go for untabulated data, then we will go for tabulated data. Two types, ungrouped and grouped. Okay, so first untabulated, then ungrouped, then grouped. Three parts. Okay. First is untabulated data. Let us take an example. Suppose I will take marks secured by children out of 25. Okay, out of 25. Let us take out of 10. Okay, marks secured by children out of 10. Okay, I have taken 15 children. The marks out of 10 are like this: 4, 6, 8, 6, 10, 9, 5, 4, 6, 7, 6, 10, 6, 4, 5. Now see, 4 is how many times? Means what is the frequency of 4? Frequency means number of times a particular datum occurs in a set of data. 1, 2, 3. Frequency of 4 is 3. Next is 5. Frequency of 5 is 1, 2, 2. Frequency of 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Frequency of 7 is, you don't need to write like this, I am just explaining. Frequency of 7 is 1. Frequency of 8 is 1, 1. Frequency of 9 is 1, 1. Frequency of 10 is 1, 2. Now compare the frequencies and see which datum has the highest frequency. See this one. The value 6 occurs in the set of data 5 times. It has the highest frequency, so the mode is 6. Okay, mode is equal to 6 for this set of data. Okay, this is for untabulated data. Now let us move to tabulated data, ungrouped. First one is ungrouped. This will also be very easy. Ungrouped data. Okay, ungrouped data. Suppose we will take weight of children. Okay. This is X, this is F frequency. Suppose we will start from 40 kg, 45, 50, 55, 60. We are taking till 60. Okay. Suppose 40 frequency of 40 is 12. That means there are 12 children in the class whose weight is 40 kg. Okay. 45, suppose we will take 18. Okay. 18 children in the class whose weight is 45 kg. Then 50, suppose 28. 55, suppose 24. 60, suppose 10. Frequency of 40 is 12. 45 is 18. 50 is 28. 55 is 24. 60 is 10. Now which frequency is highest of the here? 28. Okay. So frequency of 50 is the highest. So here mode is 50 kg. Okay. Children write this 28 by mistake. Okay. The definition of mode is the datum having the highest frequency, not the highest frequency. So children here in a hurry they write 28. 28 is not the mode. The datum having the frequency 28 is the mode. So here 50 kg is the mode. So mode is equal to 50 kg for this data. Okay. Now let us move to group data. Last one, this is group data. Okay. Suppose now let us take height of children. Okay, height. I am taking height of children in cm. The number of children. I am simply writing frequency. Okay. This is x. This is f. Suppose I will start from class. Suppose class 10 children. Okay, I am taking class 10 children. I will start from suppose 150 cm. Let us start from 140. Okay, 150, 150. Sorry, this is grouped. Sorry. This is grouped. Sorry. This is group data. So 140 to 150, 150 to 160, 160 to 170, 170 to 180. Suppose last one is 180 to 190. I don't think any child will be more than 190 cm. So till 190 I am taking. Okay. It is around 6 feet. Okay. Suppose 140 to 150 there are 10 children. 150 to 160 suppose there are 20 children. 160 to 170 suppose there are 32 children. 170 to 180 suppose there are suppose 18 children. Let us take 24. Let us take 24. Okay. Mainly boys will be there in between 170 and 180. Here mainly girls will be there from 150 to 160. Suppose 180 to 180. Let us take 8 children. Okay. Now mode means the datum having the highest frequency. Which is the highest frequency? 32. Okay. datum having the highest frequency is mode. Okay, but see, there is no specific value. It is a class interval 160 to 170. So the datum which will have the highest frequency 32 will be some value in between 160 and 170. We don't know. Okay, so to determine that we will need graph. Okay, to determine that we will need graph. We will need histogram, which we have studied in class 9. Okay, so let us draw a histogram for this data. Roughly I am drawing. Okay. This is y, this is x. Okay, you have to do in graph paper using pencil and scale. This is 0 for origin. The starting value is 140. Means 0 to 140 is not required. We can start from 140. Okay. Suppose I am taking 2 cm. Okay, I don't have graph paper. You can use 2 by 2 cm graph paper. Okay, which is actually given in the board exam. Suppose this is 2 cm. And I am taking here 150. Okay, then again 2 cm I will take 150. Again 2 cm I will take 160. Then 170, 180, 190 over. Okay, till 190 you can see 190. You can take one more value till 200 also you can take. But see, suppose this is 2 cm 140, this is 2 cm 10, 2 cm 10, 2 cm 10, 10, 10. So this part is not up to scale. So here you have to give a zigzag line which is called kink. Okay, you know from class 9. Okay, so give a kink from 0 to 140. To represent that from 0 to 140 we have not taken up to scale. This part is in scale. So here we will write, this is height in cm. Ready? So x-axis is over. Now go for the y-axis. We will represent frequency in the y-axis. Only frequency. Okay? See, the highest frequency is 32. So we have to choose such a scale so that we will be comfortably able to represent all the values along with 32. Okay? So let us take 2 cm is equal to 2 cm is equal to, suppose I am taking 10 units. Okay, suppose this is 2 cm, this is 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, here frequency or number of students. Okay, so x-axis x, height, in this case height, y-axis for frequency. So this is the outline. Okay, the formula is OSG, outline scale graph. Outline is over. Okay, outline is over. Now we will move to scale. So write the scale on the top right hand corner. So let us write here x-axis, y-axis. You have taken 2 cm. 2 cm is equal to 10 units. You can see 10 units. In the y-axis also you have taken 2 cm is equal to 10 units. Okay. So outline is over. Scale is also over. Last one is graph. You know how to draw histogram. Okay. So the first frequency, first class interval, its frequency is 10. Okay. So let us draw the histogram. My histogram will not be accurate. Okay. Okay. This is for the first class interval 10. Next is 20. 150 to 160 it is 20. So let us take 20. Okay, 150 to 160 it is 20. Next is 32. 32. Suppose here is 30. This will be 35. Okay. This will be 35. Approximately I am taking, you can use graph paper. This is 32 suppose. Suppose this is 32. Okay. This is 32. Okay. Last one, no, sorry, not the last one. Next is 24. This is 25. Okay. Just below it will be 24. Suppose this is 24. Okay. Next is 8. This is 5. 8 will be somewhere here. Okay. Just below this. Okay. Ready? So this is the histogram. You know from class 9 how to draw histogram. So this is the required histogram. So outline was over, scale was over, now graph is over. After that, how to find the mode? See, from the table you can see the class interval which is the highest frequency. This is the class interval having the highest frequency 32. This class interval is called modal class. Okay, this is called modal class. I am writing here. Ready? The class interval which is the highest frequency is called modal class. You will get the mode from the modal class. So here you can see this is the modal class, the tallest building, okay, or the tallest rectangle. This is the modal class. You will get the mode from this class interval. Okay. Now how to find the mode? From this point to this point you have to draw a line. Okay. Join this point and this point. Okay. Then join this point and this point. Ready? You got a point of intersection. From this point of intersection, okay, draw a perpendicular on the x-axis. Ready? From this point of intersection, I have drawn a perpendicular on the x-axis. Now find its value. It will be approximately, this is 160, this is 170, this is 165. So I think this will be 167. Let us take 167. Okay. So here mode is equal to so mode is equal to this value. Okay. This value which is 167 cm. Okay. So mode is equal to 167 cm. So this is not exact. Since this is grouped frequency distribution table, in case of group frequency distribution table, nothing is exact. You don't have the exact information. Okay. So approximately, okay, approximately we can say, or we can estimate that maximum number of students in the class. Mode means maximum number. Okay. Maximum number of students in the class, their height is 167 cm. Okay, 167 cm. So this is how to find mode in case of group data. Okay. So untabulated over, then for tabulated ungrouped is also over. That is very easy. Untabulated is very easy. Ungrouped is very easy. For group data, don't forget to draw histogram. Without histogram, you cannot get the mode. Simply you get model class, but you will not get the mode. So draw histogram, outline scale graph. Okay. Then do like this, cross, draw a perpendicular on the x-axis. You will get the mode. So here mode is 167. Okay. I hope you have understood this second part, how to find mode. So thank you for watching.